कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Coding by Fun, and today's question is to rotate a linked list. So we have to rotate a linked list as they have already given a single linked list of size n. The task is to rotate the linked list counterclockwise and by k nodes. They have already given a k, that is integer, that means how many nodes we have to rotate, right? So let's see the example first. They are expecting the time complexity of order of n and a space of order of 1. Just see these constraints and let's move. So they are taking two test cases. First is for linked list of size 8. There are 8 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they have given key variables and its value is 4. It means after 4 we have to rotate up to 4. Let's see the output. So output is 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It means the 4 nodes we have to connect it up to the end, just like this, right? And similarly in this question there are 5 nodes 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, and we have to rotate 3 nodes. That means we have to connect these 3 nodes here after 8 and 9, right? So let's see the logic, like how we complete this code. So I'm explaining you first the logic, then we will start coding part. So let's make a linked list first. So let's say we have linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the let's say 6. We have 6 elements in the linked list and it is pointing to null. And let's say k is equals to 3. It means this 3 should be linked at the end and this should be the head. So what I will do first, this is the head we initially given. As you can see, head is given and k is given, so k is already 3. They have already given it, right? So now what we do, we will traverse this head up to the end, and I will just change the next of the 6 to head, right? So what, how it looks like, it will looks like this. We are pointing this to this, right? So this will point to this. It means whenever we start from here, the after 6 there will be 1, 2 and 3. Now what we have to do, we have to make this node as a head and the next of 3 should be null here, right? So what I will do, I will make another pointer. Let's say I'm making a pointer temp, right? And temp will initially point to head, let's say t, right? Now every time I will move, when temp is head pointing to head, head will move one time ahead. That means head will point to heads next. Why this? Because whenever I will reach this node, when head reaches here, the temp should be here, because that's how we will make the next of 3 as null, and this link will cut, and this will be our new head, and linked list will be 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3. That's what we want, right? So I think you have understand the logic. Let's start coding, then you will see, right? So let's start coding. So first of all I will take the 2 pointers of type node, and let's say it's a p, that is initially pointing to head, and also taking a pointer temp. Now what I am doing, initially I am going up to the end, that is up to the p of, that's this, not pointing to null. What I will do, just I will do p is equals to p of next. Now after this, P is now pointing to the last node, and I have to make the P's next now to the head. Right? So P's next will now point to head. It means we have linked the last node to the first node now. Right? Now what I will do, I will make another while loop. What here I will do, it's pointing to head, pointing to head, right? Sorry, we have to move up to the k times, k nodes ahead, so it's k minus minus, right? So we are going k times ahead from starting. Let's say temp is initially pointing to head, right? And head will move one node ahead. So when the value of k is 0, it means we are pointing to the new head, head is pointing to new head, and temp is pointing to the previous node. And now we have to make the temps next as null, as we already seen, and we just have to return the head. That's our new head of the linked list. So let's compile it and see we are getting this output or not for these inputs. So as you can see, we are getting the same output as this, right? And now let's submit it. I'm submitting it to check the other test cases we are passing or not. So yes, our code is accepted. We have passed all the test cases. So you have seen how to rotate a linked list by k nodes. If you like, you can subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon. See you. Bye bye.